My man. Wow. It's been a while, guys. You know what's up already now, guys. It's Sammie and my phone is back to me. Look at check Instagram. Straight up. 59.2k followers already. Wow, guys, keep it coming. Look, I check my DM ASAP. Hi, my favorite friend, Sammie. Yo, my guy. I'm your friend. We did together. Hey, good evening. My name is Chuki Rhymes. I'm from Uganda. I would like to host you on my Instagram. Like, okay, cool. I wouldn't mind. I wish my Koji King best of luck. I love you too, baby. Olupina Princess Morolake. Congratulations, bro. I wish you more good things ahead. I'm not happy that you are out, but I know something big awaits us. I love you too, baby. Zainab, she said, we'll miss you, Sammie. Can you just create a platform we could get to talk to, please? Oh, no issue, babe, no issue. Zainab, trust me, I'll do that. Who else agrees with me that Sammie is the Laker of this season? I do. I don't even know what to say right now. For real. Trust me, I will find a way to get in touch with everybody. I can't wait to see everybody outside and let's relate, let's vibe. Basically, I'm not the be now. Make we vibe.